In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a column on Microsoft Word. So now let me show you guys how to do this. So you have this table here and you need to add another column to make it 4. So already we have 1, 2, 3. So to do this, we put our cursor in the table, we right click, we get this insert option. We tap on that here and you can see insert left, insert right. So it depends. Oh, I tapped on the left. Sorry, let me revert my action. Good. So now let me right click again and let me come to the insert here. So now let's say you want a new column here. You choose the insert left, a new column here, you choose the insert right. It depends on what you're trying to do. Because if you have text inside and you need a new column, you cannot just select any side. So now let's say I want some here. So I choose the insert left and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the highlighted side. Is the new one inserted. Now I do the same thing again, right click, insert, and I move to the right side and I have that here too as well. So that's it on how you can insert columns on Microsoft Word table. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.